There's a piece of advice that gets repeated everywhere in the world of online business. Be patient. Success takes time. Just keep going, and eventually, things will work out. I believed this advice for years. I built my entire strategy around it. And it failed me. Not because patience is bad advice. Patience is essential. Without it, you'll quit before you've given yourself a real chance. But patience alone is not enough. Patience without strategy is just waiting. And waiting doesn't build businesses. It just wastes time. I learned this lesson the hard way. Let me tell you what happened. Years ago, I started a blog called The Idea Machine. I was full of enthusiasm. I had read that blogging was a way to make money online, and I was determined to make it work. So I started writing. And I wrote. And I kept writing. For nearly 2 years, I published articles consistently. I showed up. I did the work. I was patient. I was disciplined. I was persistent. By every measure of good habits, I was doing everything right. Some of my articles even did well. A few brought in significant traffic. People were reading my work. But most of my articles got very few views. Almost no engagement. No comments. No shares. Just silence. After 2 years of consistent effort, my total earnings from Google AdSense came to $80. 2 years of work. $80. I had been patient. I had been disciplined. I had been persistent. And I had almost nothing to show for it. Why? Because I was doing the wrong things, consistently. I was moving in the wrong direction, steadily. I was digging a hole with incredible discipline, but in the wrong direction. Looking back, I can see exactly where I went wrong. The mistakes are painfully obvious now. They weren't obvious then. Mistake number 1. I had no niche. I wrote about everything. Technology one day. Health the next. Random reflections the day after. My blog was a scattered collection of unrelated thoughts. When someone found one article they liked, they had no reason to read anything else, because the next article was about something completely different. I attracted no loyal audience because I stood for nothing specific. Mistake number 2. I didn't research what people were searching for. I wrote about whatever interested me in the moment. I never asked, is anyone actually looking for this? I never checked search volumes. I never studied what questions people were asking. I was writing into the void, hoping someone would find me. Most of the time, they didn't. Mistake number 3. I didn't target high-value keywords. Google AdSense pays different amounts for different topics. Some keywords generate high-paying ads. Others generate almost nothing. I had no idea this was a thing. I wasn't strategic about what I wrote. I just wrote and hoped the money would follow. Mistake number 4. I confused activity with progress. I thought that because I was working hard, I must be making progress. But effort without direction is just motion. I was running in place, exhausting myself, and calling it perseverance. Here's what I learned from those 2 years of failure. It's a lesson I carry with me every single day now. Patience without strategy is just waiting. You can wait for years and never arrive anywhere if you're facing the wrong direction. Hard work without direction is just wasted energy. You can work 12-hour days and have nothing to show for it if you're working on the wrong things. Discipline without learning is just stubbornness. You can show up every day and never improve if you're not learning from your mistakes and adjusting your approach. The formula for success is not patience plus hard work. The formula is patience plus hard work plus the right strategy. If you remove any one of these 3, the formula breaks. Strategy without patience means you'll quit before the strategy has time to work. Patience without strategy means you'll persist in doing the wrong things. Hard work without either means you're just busy, not productive. If you're working hard and being patient, but still not seeing results, don't just be more patient. That's like driving faster in the wrong direction. Stop. Look at what you're doing. Ask yourself, am I doing the right things or just doing things? Patience is a virtue, but patience without strategy is just slow failure. Pair your patience with a clear niche. Pair your hard work with smart research. Pair your discipline with constant learning. That's the combination that actually works. That's what turns years of effort into something meaningful, instead of years of effort into $80 and a lesson learned the hard way. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel. And if you want a complete system that combines patience with strategy, my book 40 Atomic Habits for Online Success is available on Gumroad. It's not just about being patient. It's about knowing what to do while you wait. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.